Hi, this is Chuck, and I own an SEO agency out of Charlotte, North Carolina, and we specialize in search engine optimization and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more leads and more business. And I was doing a search for the most popular keyword for Charleston and pest control companies, and this is what came up on the first page. There's usually some ads up here. This section is a map section, and then you get into the organic rankings. This is just a business directory. Here's a competitor, another business directory, competitor, and another competitor. And so, not sure if you're aware, but 80% of all new searches end up choosing one of the top 3 search results or someone on the first page. And that's why most businesses want to get to the first page, because Google is the new phone book, and if you're not listed in it or on the first page, people just don't find you. Typically, people don't go past the first page. Think about what you do for your own searches. Do you usually go past the first page when you're doing a Google search? But I did, and went and found you on page 5. You're right here, and so we went to your site and looked at it, which it looks very clean. Like that you have your number up there for people to easily find and call. And so there's some things that I just want to make you aware of that you can change on your own. Google is all about trusting a site. They're going to rank sites higher that they have a lot more trust in. And think of it this way: if you're doing a search for yourself and you search anything on Google, you want the result that comes up on the first page to be what you're looking for, and you want it to be a good match. When you click on that link, you want it to have authoritative content, you want it to be correct, and so you want it to be a good experience. So Google is in this for the end user experience, so they want to trust the sites that they rank high and on the first page especially. So what goes into that? Well, one is your title. We put in your URL in our metadata extractor, which pulls out the title tag. This is typically what shows up similarly on the title tag on the search result in blue. In black is your description. But this Google prefers to see the city first and then the keyword next. That's typically how most people search for service companies. And so if you just made that one little change and switched that to Charleston Pest Control Companies or Charleston Pest Control Company, vertical line, put the name of your company, another vertical line, and then put whatever, you've got 72 characters to work with there. That'll help boost you in the ranks, because it tells Google where you are, and what you're about. And so the other thing Google looks at is your heading tags. And there's a primary heading tag and some secondary heading tags. And this tells Google what you want to rank for. And so here you're telling Google that you want to rank for pest control experts. And one thing that may be helpful is on your site is to make it congruent with what people are searching for. So on your heading, you want Charleston Pest Control Company, and then your local pest control expert. Then call us for a free estimate. So those are some things you can do on your own, or we'll be glad to help you with it. There's other things that we can do to get you to page 1 and help you stick on page 1, content, citations, and other things. Just give us a reply to the email. Be glad to have a conversation with you. Well, we won't tie you into a contract, and we do have money back guarantee. Thanks, and have a good day.